Hello friends, I'm a Keshav. I brought you one structure, two structure. I'm gonna tell you is that I'll tell you about them is the suppose structure. I hope you like this video. Please watch this video till last. I hope you learn something new today. If you don't learn, please don't subscribe my channel. No, doesn't matter. You will not get notification, doesn't matter. But what is watch my video till last. I hope you will get knowledge from this. It's good for me and for you enhancing English. And as well, I will tell you about one structure, two structures. Talk about one structure is it's not that. Next is sCauses. You can see in Hindi and it's English. I'm telling you the simple language, not his accent. My simple language, my subscribers tell please speak in simple language. I'm trying to simple language. But sometimes I take out my accent language, so please don't mind this kind of is the thing is that only thing is the only focus on structure. So start, take a one. It's not that. It's not that I don't love you. It's not that she didn't like you. It's not that I will not go there. It's not that I don't like study. It's not that I will not come here. It's not that I don't study. It's not that I didn't study. It's I felt. It's not that I don't use mobile. It's not that I wanna go there. It's not that I'm not studying. It's not that I'm focusing on the mobile. It's only focus. It's my a new type of thing is how to change, how to get, how to things. It's not. Then let's move another structure. It says the coach. It's coach. It's coach itching. It's coach misunderstanding. It's causes misbehave. It's coaching talk to. It's causing. I will not use it because it's causing. It's itching. It's coach itching. No, it's not. I'm not using mobile because it's called addiction. I don't study. That's why it's called failure. It's big problems for me. I don't study. It's cause. I don't study. It's cause of my family said to you don't study. It's cause. Your friend will cause you. Perhaps is a and next step is I talk about one step, two step is don't is please understand this. Second is it causes pollution. It causes problem. It causes pain. This example is here. It causes a life borrow. It causes mobile. It causes addiction of mobile. And let's move another structure about act over smart. You can see here to act over smart. Please don't to act over smart. Don't to go there. Why over smart? Please never to act over smart. You over smart will let you wrong. You over smart will lead to wrong direction. Please don't act too over smart with me. I want to over smart boy. I want only simple boy. Simple talk is the how to simple boy. I'm a simple boy, so I want to please don't be. It's not is the or you can use the don't act over smart. Don't act over smart with her. Don't act over smart with me. Don't act smart my friends. You watch over smarting. Simple sentence. You watch acting over smart with your parents. Don't over smart with your family. Your mobile is over smart. It's at all wrong sentence. Don't use mobile with over smart. It's wrong. Don't use mobile. Act over smart. Okay, this kind of you can use a lot of sentence. A lot so is the step. We can say is the don't try to over smart with me. Don't try to over smart in job. Don't over smart mobile. Don't over smart is we can say, but if you use is act, don't to act over smart, don't try to act over smart. It's a voice structure. Tell me, did you like this? It's not this like this. I have brought is a good sentence, good structure. I hope you like it or not like it. Please let me know in the comment section below. Next structure is the about his first of all tell me how to understand about me. How do I sound? Speaking sound is my sound is good. Do you understand my sound or not is if you understand my sound, tell me how to this. I could change my sound a little bit. This language that of course is but I don't want to is change because you don't understand. You will go ahead is because you will leave my video. But I want to change my sound is I've told you I have three structure. It's not that. It's causes and act over smart. Use this comprehensive. I have give you. I've given you also an examples with structures. I hope is you will satisfy after watch this video. Please give my feedback. How's your video? Below video again and not is again. I hope you will like is this. I hope you will implement this structures with you in your life. Is I hope you implement every vocabulary, every structure, every meanings, every my gardeners. So it's I hope you will. I hope you will able to speak English. Make sure you will speak English